it's Chloe and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Barbie. Oh yes, Barbie is back. I haven't done a Barbie video in a hot minute. I decided to bring her back with a little night routine. I love just like taking normal everyday videos and then making the Barbie version. If you guys want to see the behind the scenes of this video, I vlogged everything. Go check that out. I vlogged like also what I did as my makeup for Barbie. I love the Barbie makeup. It's just very like tan and glowy and pink. Make sure to check out my vlog channel. I vlog behind the scenes of all my videos. And for today's 10-second challenge, I would like you guys to give this video a like, turn on my notifications, press subscribe if you're not already, and comment below the word Barbie, like B-A-R-B-I-E, without being interrupted. I've seen this challenge on Instagram, but I've never seen people do it on YouTube, so this is a real challenge today. And the time it takes me to spell the word Barbie backwards. Okay, E-I-B-R-A-B. That took me much longer than it should have. I kind of want to try to say it. Earbarb. Earbarb. You're welcome. And let's get started.
Wake up 'cause I'm on my way. 2 a.m. in the cabin, it's only Monday.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Hips don't lie, I know. Jeans fit just right. It's on your mind. Now I show you who's in control.
Hi, I'm Barbie. Oh, hi, Stacy. How are you? Oh my god, I know. The pink sparkly one. Yeah. Okay, Stacy, I'm just a tiny bit busy right now, so I can call you back later.
Don't say goodbye.
So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave comments below letting me know what other Barbie videos I should do. Also, make sure to check out my vlog channel. I post multiple times a week, almost every day sometimes. If you guys want to see like the behind the scenes of videos and my life and, you know, what Barbie does on her off day, go check out my vlog channel. It will be linked below. And make sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I also post a bunch of behind the scenes stuff there. It's just a good time. I'm going to Coachella next weekend, so I'll be posting like a bunch of fun stuff, and I think I'll be vlogging, so make sure you're subscribed. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye. We are back in the Pink Palace. Oh my god, I love it here. The vibes are good. I would definitely make a purple palace. I'm actually thinking of like making a whole set. Shh, sneak peek.